Hopefully we saw the key information was x-intercept of 3 and slope of 5. Huh? Okay, I think from here, we should fill in our slope, m equals 5. But of x-intercept of 3, guys, that means it's touching the x-axis. That means this point here. I don't have the y-intercept, I have the x-intercept. That is the point 3, 0. So I can use this point in my table, and I can also use a slope to get more points. If my slope is 5, this is the same thing as 5 over 1. So I mean, I'm counting up 5 and to the right 1, starting at the x-intercept. Put your pencil on the x-intercept and count your slope. And over 1, now we can put that point. Then repeat it, see if it fits. Yep. Now we can do a line through these 3 points. Use your ruler to fill in the line. Now, if I go in opposite direction, I want to go in the opposite direction because I want to see if this line eventually touches the y-axis. So if I count down 5 and to the left 1, there's that point. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And so I would have to go down another 5. So I'm not going to eventually touch the y-axis here. But what I am going to be able to do is use the point 3, 0 as my x1 and y1, and m equals 5 as my slope. So this would be y minus 0 equals 5 parentheses x minus 3. To get it to slope-intercept form, guys, you need to distribute and solve for y. If I distribute, this is really y minus 0 is just y equals, I'm sorry, I should put that underneath here. Y equals 5x minus 15. So now can I see my y-intercept? Yeah, the y-intercept is the minus 15. Okay. Now I can fill in my perpendicular and parallel, and now I can change it to standard. All right. I want you to try to see if you can finish up the rest. All right. Remember to refer to the steps here to help you fill in your standard form. The parallel and perpendicular should be easy because it's the same number for parallel, opposite reciprocal. That means, remember, we flip the number and change sign. To go to standard form, no fractions, mean bring variables to one side, numbers to the other side. So here's our steps right here. Get rid of fractions. We do not need to do that. Distribute if necessary. We do not. We're on step 3. Let x and y both on the left and number on the right. Be sure to list x first. Okay, so that will help you here. So hopefully what we're doing here is y equals 5x minus 15. The first step should be minus 5x. Let's see if you can get it into standard form. Let's the x term first. And then remember, we cannot leave it with a negative. This cannot happen. Right here. Remember what we do to get rid of it. All right. Let's get that done so we can now build off of this for tomorrow.